Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2014 Fiat Freemont, stock number 7072. It's ran from the 4th 2013 to the 1st 2017. It's a JF 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a JF 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front 17-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate, right rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, right front door 1 dent and heads wobbles, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.